The UN Human Rights Council is calling on North Korea to dismantle all of its political prison camps and release political prisoners. But the regime is rejecting the council's recommendations, saying there's no such thing as political prison camps in the country. Our Kan Hyeong-woo tells us more.
North Korea has insisted there are no political prison camps or forced labor in the regime. The Universal Periodic Review's working group under the UN Human Rights Council adopted 262 recommendations about dismantling political prison camps and seizing forced labor to be accepted by North Korea. But the review's report says Pyongyang stated it will only note some of the recommendations instead of using the word accept, which diplomatically translates to a rejection of the recommendations. According to Voice of America, North Korea's ambassador Han Dae-sung said Pyongyang rejected 63 recommendations made by some representatives as the insult to the regime's dignity, insisting they severely distort the reality on the ground. Last week, the U.S. urged North Korea at the UN Human Rights Council to dismantle its political prison camps. Pyongyang's diplomat blamed sanctions imposed on the regime, claiming they were violating the human rights of North Korea.
Some countries are joining the Security Council to impose unilateral sanctions on us. Sanctions of various kinds against DPRK hamper in every possible way the efforts of DPRK for the protection and promotion of human rights, laying serious obstacles to the enjoyment by the people of their human rights.
Regarding the 199 adopted recommendations, including joining the International Labor Organization and the Committee Against Torture, North Korea said it will announce its decisions at a session of the Human Rights Council in September. Kan Hyeong-woo, Arirang News.